Good morning, everyone. I'm gonna bring you a small video here, pre-market. We have a bunch of names running this morning, and the first one that we're gonna take a look at is CLRB. It's moving pre-market. Is phase 2 news out today, and we're gonna check JMU as well. So you see here, it's moving very nicely, pretty nice gap up. Hoping that we have a follow through here right at the open. Also BIOC, which we discussed yesterday, it's gapping up, follow through from yesterday. Also posted a video of after hours of this name. BCRX, it's gapping down huge this morning. So you see here, I'm gonna keep an eye on this one, see what's going on here. And SESN is the last name that I'm gonna bring you. It's a pretty nice move pre-market, and this is Huawei news related because the USA is actually pulling back a little tiny bit on the China sanctions. So I just wanted to bring you a small video here. Hope that everybody has a good day and that you enjoy your trading day today. Thank you.